Hello students, welcome back in ENV class. Today we will start chapter 15 from market to home. We all know that plants give us grains, pulses, vegetables, fruits and spices. But in this chapter we will see that how vegetables reach to our house from market. So let's start. So here this is story of Vaishali. My name is Vaishali, so the name of this girl is Vaishali. My father is a vegetable seller. So Vaishali's father is a vegetable seller. My mother, bhai, Chotu and I help father with his work. So here Vaishali's father is a vegetable seller, but from Vaishali's family, her mother, her bhai, then Chotu and Vaishali, they all help father with his work. Now, can you guess at what time they begin their work? So, at 3 o'clock in the morning, Vaishali's family begin their work. When most people are fast asleep, they start their work. So, here Vaishali is telling us that when most people are sleeping, they start their work. First of all, they start their work by taking out the previous day's vegetable from the gunny bags and baskets. So, in the starting of the morning, they will start taking out the previous day's vegetable from the gunny bags and they will sell these vegetables first. After that, as soon as they had their tea, after finishing the work, they heard the horn of a tempo. It is time for father, bhaiya and uncle from our street to leave for the mandi. So after taking the tea, Vaishali's father, bhaiya, uncle and some others from that street will leave for mandi to buy fresh vegetables from the mandi. Mandi is a big vegetable market. So after that, when they heard the horn of tempo, they all will leave for the mandi in the tempo. Now, preparing for the day. So, after father, uncle, bhaiya and other leave for the mandi, Vaishali's mother, Chotu and Vaishali put the previous day's vegetable in gunny bags and sprinkle some water on them. So, why they are doing this? Because to keep vegetables fresh. So, Vaishali's mother, Chotu and Vaishali will sprinkle some water on previous vegetables. After that, by 6:30, Vaishali's father baked from the mandi with baskets and sacks full of fresh vegetables. So, at that time, Vaishali's house looks more like a small vegetable market. Here we can see there are brinjal, potatoes, tomatoes, okra. Do you know what is the meaning of okra? Okra means bhindi, pumpkin, chilies and many other vegetables all around. So here we can see Vaishali's house looks like a small vegetable market. Why? Because there are so many vegetables in her house. By 7 o'clock, father arranges all the vegetables on the hand cart. So here we can see Vaishali's father arranges all the vegetables in hand cart and leaves for the market. And Vaishali's father says that if he is late, then his regular buyers may buy their vegetables from someone else. So by 7 o'clock, Vaishali's father leaves for the market. So, as soon as Vaishali's father leaves, Vaishali quickly gets ready because she has to reach school by 7:30 am. So, Chotu attends school in the morning. So, he goes to market at 10 am with food for father and bhai. So, Vaishali's father and her bhai are at mandi and Chotu give food to them. He stays with them at the vegetable cart until it is time for him to go to school. So after that, Chotu will go to school from market. Sometime he goes directly from school to help his father and father tries to sell previous day's vegetables first. Father sells the previous day's vegetables first. Why do you think he does this? So I told you before that if the previous day's vegetables stays with father for long, it will get spoiled. So he sells previous day's vegetables first. Have you seen dried or rotten vegetables? Where? So yes, we all had seen dried and rotten vegetables. So where? So when we go to vegetable market, we saw dried and spoiled vegetables on the rubbish heaps outside the market. So outside the market, we can see dried or rotten vegetables. Now, how did you know that the vegetables were rotten? So, when vegetables get spoiled, they start stinking. Some vegetables like cabbages or cauliflowers have small worms inside it, and sometimes a bad smelling liquid comes out of vegetables, so that we can know that the vegetables were rotten. When previous day's vegetables get sold, they takes out fresh vegetables from the sacks and puts them in the cart. And then also they again sprinkling water on the vegetables so that they do not dry up in summer. So after father and bhai return around 10 o'clock at night. By then Chotu and Vaishali sleeps. Everyone else sleeps around 11 or 11:30 at night and the next day wake up early again. So this is the story of Vaishali's family. How they start their work in the morning and at night 10 o'clock her father and bhai return from vegetable market. So this is a very busy day for vegetable seller. So from this story we can see that vegetable seller first go to mandi to buy fresh vegetables from the mandi, and after that they sorting these vegetables and then they go to vegetable market to sell them. So I will send you PDF file of this activity in next period that you have to write down in your notebook, and of textbook I will send you PDF file also. Thank you.